the Connected REM team. Emily is our React guru, Kelsey our design ninja, Samia our Google Cloud genius, and myself, the umbrella. I found the team and made sure that there were no roadblocks in the way for the team to get our MVP completed. Connected REM's strength lies in the fact that we come from a diverse background of research, design, and development. It is through the research that we spotted a gap in the FordPass app and developed a product with an intuitive user interface design. The tech stack we use mirrors that of companies who are banking on responsive UI with seamless backend execution. We will now describe our app build in detail.
A core feature of the app is the notifications. These were created using a combination of libraries including local notifications, task manager, background fetch, and secure storage. The process begins when the notification settings are made active and saved in the app. As background fetch cannot be set to an exact time, we configured it to run roughly every minute once the app is backgrounded. Once the selected time is within 5 minutes of the current time, it will make the API call to get the distance to empty and then compare it against the saved distance threshold. If the distance to empty is lower than the distance threshold, it will trigger a notification and let the user know. And now Samia will talk about the backend.
We are using Google Cloud Function as a serverless execution environment. First, I will explain how it works in a Postman. So get started is a Google Cloud Function endpoint, which the app calls. A first-time user will trigger an authorization code. Otherwise, the user is identified by client token. The response includes information. These are our Google Cloud functions. I use Secret Manager to keep client secrets safe and a Firebase library to interact with the Firebase. With this function, I get client secrets from Secret Manager. Here I can call the API to get the access and refresh token. The refresh token is saved in Firebase with the client token for use in the API call. And we use the UUID library to create random client tokens. Now Kelsey will explain styling.
React Native offers a smooth, responsive UI that is aesthetically pleasing for the user. It offers the beauty of operating cross-platform and seemed like it would offer the best UX regardless of mobile device, rather than having our team learn Swift and Kotlin simultaneously. React Native doesn't use styling components typical to PWA interfaces and instead utilizes its own styling that is CSS-like. Our hex colors are aligned with Ford's own FordPass app and Ford branding. We used the standalone library React Navigation within the React Native framework to move through the app. Based on the app's needs, we implemented stacks to help the user navigate between core pages of the app.